How to fix microphone not working on Instagram app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the microphone not working on Instagram easy and fast. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here. Click on apps manager and then go to the apps in the first option and then scroll down and search for the Instagram app. Now after you found it like this, click on it, and then all what you have to do is click on force stop and then go to the permissions and make sure to enable the microphone option as you can see. Now the next step and the last step is go to the storage and clear data and cache. And now all what you have to do is go back and restart your phone and your Instagram microphone must be working. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.